Want to explore the world's most breathtaking places without leaving a carbon footprint? These eco-friendly destinations will blow your mind. In 2025, sustainable travel is bigger than ever, with 83% of travelers choosing greener getaways. Today, we're counting down the top 10 eco-friendly destinations that combine stunning beauty with planet-friendly practices. From carbon-negative kingdoms to renewable-powered paradises, this guide has it all. Stick around for practical tips to travel greener, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel inspo. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the Azores, Portugal's hidden gem in the Atlantic. These volcanic islands run on geothermal energy and are a certified sustainable destination. Hike through lush craters, spot whales in protected waters, or stay in eco-friendly guest houses. Pro tip: book a whale watching tour with local operators to support marine conservation. With its untouched landscapes, the Azores is a must for eco-travelers in 2025. At number 9, we have Switzerland, where eco-friendly trains and car-free towns redefine alpine travel. Visit Zermatt, a car-free village beneath the Matterhorn, or ski in sustainable resorts like Engelberg. Switzerland's public transport makes exploring green and easy. Pro tip: use the Swiss Travel Pass for eco-friendly train journeys through jaw-dropping Alps. If you love nature and luxury, Switzerland's got you covered. Coming in at number 8 is Palau, a Pacific island nation that's a pioneer in marine conservation. Palau created the world's first shark sanctuary and requires visitors to sign an eco-pledge. Snorkel in Jellyfish Lake or stay in eco-resorts that protect coral reefs. Pro tip: choose dive operators certified by Palau's Green Fins program for sustainable underwater adventures. Palau's pristine waters are an eco-traveler's dream. At number 7, Norway leads the way with electric fjord cruises and sustainable tourism. Explore the dramatic Lofoten Islands or stay in eco-cabins for Northern Lights views. Norway's commitment to green transport makes it a standout. Pro tip: book an electric ferry tour through Geirangerfjord to see Norway's beauty with zero emissions. This Nordic gem is perfect for 2025 eco-adventures. Number 6 takes us to Sikkim, India, the world's first fully organic state. Nestled in the Himalayas, Sikkim offers eco-friendly treks to Kanchenjunga and stays in sustainable homestays. Discover organic farms and serene monasteries. Pro tip: visit during the low season to reduce your impact and support local communities. Sikkim's green vibes make it a hidden eco-gem for 2025. At number 5, New Zealand blends adventure with conservation. Its Fjordland National Park and Maori-led eco-tours showcase sustainability at its best. Go whale watching or sip wine at eco-friendly vineyards. Pro tip: join a guided eco-tour with Ngai Tahu to learn about Maori conservation practices. New Zealand's landscapes will leave you speechless and guilt-free. Number 4 is Slovenia, Europe's greenest destination. Lake Bled and Triglav National Park offer cycling trails and organic farm stays. Slovenia's capital, Ljubljana, is a green city with eco-certified hotels. Pro tip: rent a bike to explore Bled's emerald waters for a low-impact adventure. Slovenia's charm and sustainability make it a 2025 must-visit. At number 3, Bhutan, the world's only carbon-negative country, redefines eco-travel. Its high-value, low-impact policy preserves Himalayan valleys and Buddhist monasteries. Stay in sustainable homestays and hike to Paro Taksang. Pro tip: plan your trip through Bhutan's official tourism board to ensure eco-friendly practices. Bhutan's magic is a bucket list experience. Coming in at number 2 is Iceland, powered by geothermal and hydroelectric energy. Soak in the Blue Lagoon, hike eco-friendly trails, or chase the northern lights with sustainable tours. Iceland's commitment to carbon-neutral tourism is unmatched. Pro tip: book with operators like Arctic Adventures for green-certified tours. Iceland's otherworldly beauty is a green traveler's paradise. And at number 1, it's Costa Rica, the king of ecotourism. Running on 98% renewable energy, Costa Rica protects 25% of its land as national parks. Zipline through Monteverde's cloud forests or join turtle conservation in Tortuguero. Stay in eco-lodges like Laparios for a true green escape. Pro tip: book eco-certified tours through local guides to support communities. Costa Rica is the ultimate eco-destination for 2025. Ready to travel greener? Here are 5 quick tips to make every trip sustainable. First, pack reusable items like water bottles and bamboo cutlery. Second, choose flights with carbon offset programs or opt for trains. Third, stay in green-certified hotels or homestays. Fourth, support local businesses to boost eco-economies. And fifth, research eco-friendly activities before you go. Small changes make a big impact. From Costa Rica's jungles to Bhutan's carbon-negative valleys, these eco-friendly destinations prove you can travel responsibly and have the time of your life. Which one's on your 2025 list? Drop it in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Next, we're uncovering hidden gems you've never heard of. Stay tuned.